Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 simple garden ideas with amazing results. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 simple garden ideas with amazing results. Number 1. Modern look. Below we locate a garden that has actually been planned out to perfection. It brings out all the stops, lights, polished trees and plants, concrete as well as a water feature. Number 2. Grass. The blend of grass and concrete in your drive means is an excellent method for separating areas. However, in this situation, the landscape engineers used this little corner to embellish your house. Now it isn't just one more monotonous rock garage. Number 3. Outdoor cooking area. Why not have actually an area developed for you by a specialist for embrace the summertime time? For big houses that can afford the area and withstand the climate, barbecue, rock oven, and kitchen area. Number 4. A garden pit. To be outdoors with nature is terrific. Why not create a practically living area for your outside? A place that you can utilize for having a glass of red wine and considering the celebrities, or reading throughout the day. Number 5. Water features. Water features, if succeeded, are always a terrific add-on to your residence. Right here we can see a contemporary style water feature that complements the lights design and the plants. Number 6. Indoor meets exterior. There are plenty of choices for when you intend to develop that added area outdoors. This home has actually managed to instill both an interior cooking area that has straight accessibility to the outside. Number 7. Cool location. Furniture that is comfortable is crucial. However, ones that are weatherproof are important. Number 8. Plant pots. There is never sufficient plants to fill a home. However, if not decorated with a wonderful and ideal pot, it can be a little bit boring. There are plenty of choices for pots and also frameworks that can be constructed in your garden. Number 9. Lighting. Lights can do a lot for a room, yet when you are outdoors, they have to be purposefully intended not to ruin the moonlight state of mind. Number 10. Bamboo framework. Bamboos is just one of the best instances of intended manicured grass. You can have wild ones that proliferate or ones that stand alone, meaning that you can basically prepare for a wild garden or an elegant developed one. That's it. If you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you in the next videos.